Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make Turkish tulumba dessert or piped sweet dough or fried sweet dough or star fruit dessert, whatever you want to name it. To this we have to take 2 cups of sugar, I am going to make a sugar syrup from this sugar. To this add 3 cups of water. Two cups of water and 3 cups of sugar. To make Turkish tulumba dessert, we have to take 3 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. Let it boil until all the sugar melts down into a sticky sugar syrup. See, our sugar is completely melted into a sugar syrup. We need a sticky sugar syrup, not a very thick one. Let it cook for some more time. We have to cook the sugar syrup for 10 minutes in a high flame. Let us check the consistency of the sugar syrup. See, our sugar syrup is sticky. We need this much of consistency in our sugar syrup. Don't make very thick sugar syrup. It will be difficult to absorb. So keep it aside for some time. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the sugar syrup so that it may not crystallize when it is cooled down. Take another pan. To this add 2 cups of water, one cup of milk, add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. It gives a very good flavor to our tulumbas. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Let all the water and milk comes to a boil. To this boiling milk we have to add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix all of them well and let them boil for some time. Now keep the flame in low. We have to add 2½ cup of all-purpose flour to this boiling milk ghee mixture. Two and a half cup I have added. Now we have to mix all of them vigorously. I have mixed all the flour into the milk ghee liquid. All this process we have to do in a low flame only. Don't turn off the flame while doing this process. Now I have mixed all the flour. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside for some time. Take out from the stove so that they may not stick to the bottom of the pan. And now our dough has become cooled down. Now transfer the entire dough into a food processor. Grind it into a smooth paste. To this we have to add 3 to 4 tablespoons or half a cup of semolina, and we have to grind all of them into a smooth paste. To this we have to add 1 egg and again we have to add 1 more egg. We have to wait till all the egg is incorporated and absorbed by the flour. Add 1 more egg. Till now I have added 3 eggs, and again we have to grind it. Now I am adding the 4th egg. And again grind it. We have to add all the eggs gradually, grind them until it becomes into a smooth and glossy dough. It should be thick but should fall slowly and steadily when you lift it out of the bowl. Till then we have to grind it. Fifth egg I am going to add to the dough. Now grind all of them. All the egg is incorporated and absorbed by the flour. Now take out the dough from the mixture grinder. Now our dough is ready to make tulumbas. It is very smooth and glossy. Now take tulumba mold. See, it will be available in the market. Now we have to fill the dough into this mold like this. We have to fill the dough. See, I have filled the mold with the dough. Now we have to close the lid of the tulumba mold. I have kept the oil for heating. Now we have to push the dough like this. We have to grease the scissors in the oil so that the dough may not stick to our scissors, and we have to press like this and cut the dough into equal sizes. Like this we have to make all the tulumbas. We have to press from the upper side and Like this we have to pour all the flour and cut it with the help of the scissors, and like this we have to make all the tulumbas. Don't use knife to cut the tulumba dough. We have to use the scissors, and make sure that we have to grease the scissors. We have to dip the scissors like this in the oil, and then we have to cut the tulumba dough from the mold when it is falling. By turning them sides and pushing them down into the hot oil until all the tulumbas turned into golden brown color and cooked thoroughly. We have to keep the flame in low until all the tulumbas turned into golden brown in color. Don't keep the flame in high. Now once in a while we can keep the flame in medium also. Low medium only we have to fry all the tulumbas. We have to fry all the tulumbas into golden brown color by dipping and by flipping like this, so that they may be turned into golden brown in color from all the sides. See, our tulumbas have turned into golden brown color from all the sides. Now transfer all of them directly into the sugar syrup. We have to give the tulumbas ample time to absorb the sugar syrup, and after 2 minutes I am taking out the tulumbas from the sugar syrup. Don't overload the tulumbas in a frying pan so that they may not stick to each other. I have made 2 rounds of tulumbas. Take all of them from the sugar syrup into a serving plate. Now our delicious mouth-watering Turkish tulumba dessert is ready to eat and serve. Now garnish the tulumbas with some pistachio powder, grated pistachios. You can garnish them with any dry fruit according to your choice. It is optional. See, I will show you. Our tulumba is crispy and crunchy from outside, and see, it is soft and juicy from inside. The perfect tulumba is ready to eat and serve. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.